Yeah, people see that. Pumpkin just a grow, isn't it? Yeah, man, I know them going as usual, isn't it? Take it easy. Yeah, go on, but I got just if you see it. I go to the next one. No, this is right. When you don't got nobody over here with no whip. Yeah, you work anytime you feel like. You left work anytime you feel like, isn't it? Yes, I. Yeah, man, listen, I'm a farm back again, isn't it? It's a prepare the place to plant, you know what I mean? Portion to work on the but don't know. I just see portion to work on the car, see portion to boost you and chop up, but for me this come like a 1 day, not even 1 day, just call it, let me see. Yeah, if me really have clean still, clean on the place, like I see me clean on it, just call it a 1 day, because it's even take me a day still to clean it down, you see me? So, don't know things that, don't know so left now, but cheap food alright, just correct, just one spot there. Things can plant, you see me, but cheap thing there. Cheap chop down right as a still, you see me, but they are going easy buck, you see me? But we really want to talk about what got me in the next 2030. In 2030 forward, what got me to Jamaica, you see me? They are pretty still people. But really I got me, you see me? If the place I stay the same or it get worse and worse because we know it not going to stay the same. Matter of fact, now I know it not going to stay the same, you see me? Yeah man, I know it not going to stay the same forever and ever, you know what I mean? The institution, I just see what I go on now, you say I be a fucker going in the institution, you see me? So, here and then, we know what I go on in 2030. A lot of fucker go on. And a lot of fucker been going in now, so right now, just have to go and live life and enjoy life to the fullest, you see me? And every humankind just go and live them life, you see me? Yes man. Shit's no good still, you know, but people just have to live them life still, you see me? Which is right. No thing go. Alright, excuse me like while I light my spliff. Oh yeah, I gotta take a lift. Take it easy, yeah. Yes, I. No thing go. So just the next day in a mother nature. You see mother nature? Yes, I. You see me cause things beer, you know. See, it's mother nature, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. But don't know things that I know just are going easy, but now my farm, you see me? Yeah. All the people them need to open them eyes still. Don't open the eye when it's too late still, you see me? Yeah, we need to come together and unite still as one, you know, we can't fight against one another. Because if we not continue to do the same thing like the way system do to it, in the world will go better. Just continue to repeat. Because we but then the people they never like we, you know. A colonial them call we, you know. You see me? So things on time change, but things on time are upgrade. Yeah, them upgrade, get a vaccine and thing. So you must know what that means. Thing now stop continue upgrade, you see me? Need a thing there, them call it. Need a slavery system, need everything, you see me? Just don't need to open the eyes still and see what are going, you know what I mean? People them. Yeah man. No joke. If you don't see me, you don't know what me, you know. Because you don't know how the shit still stay, you know, man. You know what I mean? Yes, I. Can't make no, as them say, free word of speech, you see me, so. This is my fucking free word of speech, you know what I mean? Yes, I. You don't know things that, as I tell you, you know, I'm a farming, me do. I plant up back in my ground because you don't know. Goat them come in my ground and fuck up my goat, fuck up my ground, you see me? I mean, so you don't know, the goat them will just come in my ground, people, no my goats still, people goat, but you don't know. You know, people like catch up people, but you don't know, me not against somebody still, you don't know, so unity we say still, you see me? Yeah man. The people just fucked up overall, you know what I mean? Just have to live a peaceful life, you know what I mean? And do the right thing. Don't watch your body out there, you know what I mean? Do what you have to do. Blessings, you see me, to everybody out there. All who don't see this or who don't see this, they don't know a thing of blessings same way, you know what I mean? Alright? Yeah, what people need to open them eye, man, and unite the people them know how we unite still, you see me? And unite the people them want to make a run from me, but that no people now open them eye and see, you see me? You know what I mean? Unite, all we need to unite, and all we unite to think nobody can talk to it. People them afraid of black people to rise up, man, you see me? Because they know if black people rise up, the back whip where them a go get, man, them not, you see me? So that's why they might certain things from the black people, but black people need to open their eyes still, you see me? Because this blood clot thing that this Bible where they give the people them say or read and think that for just cover on the eye, you know. Just like a glasses, you know, can't see with the eye and then go on a glass, them go something put over on the eye. If we make one, say get extra 40 vision. Come on, man, you're not fucking fool. No 40 vision, nothing, man. Fool them a turn in a brother. You done born in 40 vision. You see me, you know what thing go, man? How you take like all the time, though. Don't know as to tell yourself you don't see this and don't know what, you know what I mean? But I still live and see me, you know what I mean? I have to live. Yes. Life will say. Yeah. Yeah, life will say, you know what I mean? Which is right, man, no joke about it. I do some more work and I'm going, you know what I mean? Up there some more and clean up this. Yes, man. Right, yes, sir. Right, that's what you see. Right up there, so you see bush right there, so you point, right there some more. Bush right there some more. Come on. I mean, no joke about it. That's how we people them there. You don't know man out there like all the time, man. First one ever get a long video like this at the blood clot. But sorry boy, bad they don't know Jamaica me them, you know what I mean, free word of speech. Nah what about nothing but don't know about negative thing no good for talk, you see me? So you can talk positive, just talk positive, you see me? They say whole thing they live a peaceful life, you see me, positive all the way, you know what I mean? Blessings to everybody out there, you know what I mean, Ali? 2020, 60, you don't know you out there like all the time. 2020, 70, 2020, 80, out the road. Yes, I.